Shubor nagaslem jong Nongstoiñ Hima.
Hadian bun senam naduk baka Ophis jong Nongstoiñ CNRD block. Kaladan apo Nongstoiñ mentaya kani ka Ophis shen and sa Shna Thymmai no haka mang pisa kabalay klor tingka. Ya kani la sakhiru haka sngi balang jong katayo haka bau menteri rang bakdu ke sarkar jilla ukon rat ki sangma haka jingdan lang ru menteri katanat CNRD block uba hamlet dotling ulayo ban pli bat bu yo Mawnongrim na kabentaban Shna ke integrated block development complex Nongstoiñ CNRD block haka jingyalang kabalalong Havanis hall pendengray Shu haka te kasngi menteri rang ba ulayo ru ban sami ki check siya kinong repted kabade hapo ka Meghalaya Mushroom Mission barki PG group lingba ka scheme focus. Hakati ka sngi na lor menteri rang ba bar menteri katanat CNRD ka sarkar jilla ladan nang ru MLA ka Nongstoiñ uba Magni Bersan director katanat CNRD SC Sadhu DC bat SP ka West Khasi Hills BDO ka Nongstoiñ CNRD block bat kiway.
For the new block office is another example of how we are stressing on infrastructure. When we came into the government, we realized that 70% of the services given to the common man is done through the block offices. And if you go throughout the state, you will see that 99% of the block offices are in no shape to give service to the people. They have been built 50 years back, some of them, and they've never been repaired. And there itself, people are expected to get the service and officers expected to work. It is really actually a shame, I should say, that we have not been able to do this for so long. And that's the reason why, with the CNRD minister, we had a very crucial meeting. We sat down, we decided that we are going to take up, and all the 46 blocks, 6 blocks we have already sanctioned, work is started, because these were the new blocks that were allotted. But then we have come up with the second phase, where 40 blocks at an expenditure of 3 crores each, that means 120 crores will be spent to build new block offices in every single block in the state. And this most probably is the largest ever sanction for block infrastructure in any government's time. And I'm happy that we have been able to do this. And I thank the Honorable Minister of CNRD for taking the initiative to make sure that this project went through. Are the largest part of our economy, the maximum population of our state are farmers, and yet the support that the farmers need to get or they deserve, the government has not been giving in the past. And hence, we came out with many programs, whether it's the mission mode programs of ginger, turmeric, milk mission, piggery mission, or whether it was formation of different FPOs and creating different cooperative societies and giving them interest-free loans, or whether it was the program of focus. We realized that farmers need to be supported. And while we are speaking right now, and as I speak and tell you about the different programs, more than 1,000 crores has been mobilized only to support farmers in the last 4.5 years. That's the kind of focus that we are having on farmers, and we realize the support that we are giving. the focus program that we just give checks to. In the last 1 year, we have organized more than 2.5 lakh farmers in the focus groups. More than 18,000 groups have been formed. And we have sanctioned over 100 crores to be given directly to these different groups. And a lot of groups are wondering and thinking that this is loan. Let me tell you, as Chief Minister, this is not a loan. This is free and your money which you will not have to pay back to anybody. But we expect you to use it properly. So the group will get, today there were some groups who got 80,000, some groups who got 1 lakh rupees. Now what we expect you to do, after you get this 1 lakh, you should have a meeting of your group members. Some of you may say, let us buy seeds for the vegetables. Some may say, let us construct a small storage place. Some of you may feel that you can use this money to buy water pipe so that you can give water to the field. Or buy tarpaulin, or buy gunny bags, the sacks to store and to pack your vegetables and your produce. So whatever your group feels, you are free to use the money for the benefit of the members of the group and the group as a whole.